I think this looks better right now. You don't know what happened before this. Let's see.
Earlier that day.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, welcome you all officially back to my channel, and that was my reality as you have seen. So good, first of all, good morning to you guys. It's almost 7 a.m. over here, and today I'm going to film what I eat in a day kind of video. And if this is something that interests you, please keep on watching. If you're someone new and looking at this puffy face for the first time, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon, because it's actually a quarantine time now and it's a tough time right now, and I know you guys need some entertainment. So I am trying to post content twice a week, so do not miss on that. So if you don't want to miss on that, you have to hit that bell icon so that you will get the notification as soon as I post a new video. And if you like to watch my self quarantine weekend or weekday, a day in my life kind of vlog, then please let me know by hitting that like button, and also through the comment section. Don't forget to comment. And if you have any other video requests, please feel free to comment down below, because I'm having ample of time to create content, and I'll make sure that it will be up to the mark. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. I generally start my day with my immunity boosting drink, but today I thought of having ACV. So this is how I make my morning ACV drink. I always add ginger to all my drinks. So I added ginger to boiling water, and then along with that I added cinnamon with a bit of honey, and also a teaspoon of ACV. I have this drink empty stomach as soon as I wake up. So the ACV I use is always with the mother, so make sure that you shake the bottle well before use. Helps to wake my system up. So this is a drink I'm having right now. So let's move to the breakfast. So here I'm making the healthy version of pancake, but the problem is I did not have my bananas, so I am using a recipe which I followed from YouTube. This is made up of oats, so I have an egg beaten along with the yogurt or curd. This adding curd will give you that beautiful moist texture in the pancake. So this is a oat powder I'm using. It's nothing but I have grinded the oats into powder, so I'm using that. It is actually 1 full cup. And then just for making sure that my pancake doesn't break, I'm adding a little bit of maida, and then followed by that I'm adding baking soda so that it bubbles up. I will add extra step here. I'll be adding unsweetened Hershey's chocolate powder, and then followed by that I am adding a melted butter. This is unsalted butter. And for some sweetness I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. So this is not an completely healthy version, because I missed on the bananas. And I'm going to combine this mixture with some milk. Do not mix it very vigorously, guys. If you do that, you will be getting hard pancakes, which we don't want. So roughly mix it. Make sure that bigger chunks and lumps are not there. So I'm using a bit of oil and then making my pancakes. can use wheat flour instead of maida, and instead of sugar you can add mashed bananas, so that it is more on the healthier side. So these pancakes I'm going to season it with a bit of honey. I was running out of honey clearly, so a bit of honey, and I balance the sweetness with Hershey's chocolate syrup, and followed by that I added some strawberry jam. It's a homemade strawberry jam. I had made a video before, so I would be linking this video if you like to see how I make this jam. So this is my breakfast. First I had a green tea. It's just plain green tea, around maybe 11 o'clock. Then let's move to making lunch. For lunch I'm planning to make some veggies, and followed by that it's like a sabzi. Followed by that I am going to make dal. So first I started with the sabzi. So here I'm adding a bit of oil, followed by dried chili and jeera, then curry leaves, a bit of mustard seeds, followed by that I'm adding green chilies and ginger garlic, onion. Make sure that the onion is gonna be fully fried. So I was running out of a bit of oil, so I added ghee. I always add ghee and cook my food in ghee. So once it is done, I'm adding turmeric, a bit of chili, a bit of coriander powder. I'm not gonna add a lot of masalas here. Followed by that I'm adding pepper, some salt and cauliflower. This cauliflower is soaked it in hot water for 5 minutes so that it can cook easily. I'm adding a bit of water so that the masalas doesn't burn. The name of the dish is nothing but cauliflower pepper fry. So this is done. Next let's move to making dal. So for making dal I'm taking my non-stick pan because that's my go-to vessel for all my dishes. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, followed by some ghee because I like my dal with ghee. Next I'm adding some jeera and red dried chilies, and then some mustard. Once the mustard crackles, I'm going to add ginger and garlic, followed by green chili slitted. And then I'm adding some onions, saute it well. Finally I'm adding tomatoes, now it's time to add our masalas. I am adding chili powder, a bit of turmeric powder, a bit of coriander powder, kasuri methi. Kasuri methi gives that beautiful smell and beautiful taste, guys, so I'm adding that, followed by fennel powder. Because I don't have fennel seeds, I use the powder version. I'm going to add hing because I forgot to add hing in the beginning, so I added now. And then I added some salt as per taste. Now our veggies look done, so I'm adding a bit of sugar, as you can see, so that it balances the taste. So now I have added my chana dal. for dal I used with chana dal because I have them ready made at my home every time in the refrigerator, because we make sambar every day. So we had chana dal already, so I made using chana dal. So next we are going to do double tadka for this, so that it amps up the taste. I'm going to take generous amount of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, I'm adding hing and jeera, followed by green chili and some ginger, some garlic, and here there is one more secret ingredient which enhances the taste. I'm going to add pav bhaji masala, followed by Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm not going to add a lot of pav bhaji masala because this is dal recipe. First of all, this tadka is absolute heaven, guys. Now if you see, this taste will go to the next level. So this is what I had some gooseberry pickle which is homemade, and this is the cauliflower pepper fry along with one boiled egg and basmati. So I had a good nap after lunch, which is not advisable, especially when you are at home. And I didn't have anything in the evening, so I drank some green tea with ginger, as you can see. Then followed by that is my dinner time. Dinner I had the same. I had two varieties of rice here. One is basmati and one is the normal rice we have. So I had the same dal along with some onions. And at night I generally drink my immunity boosting drink, whose recipe I have in my coronavirus awareness video, so you can go ahead and watch it. I'll link it down below for you guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure that you hit the like button and share it with your friends, guys. See you on my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, bye.